Hey everybody, happy Monday. Sean coming at you from High Level with the final update of today, I think. So really excited to announce this. The team has been working super hard on this. So it is splitting out the D&D by channel. So you probably have picked up on this already today. If you haven't, here it is. Here's a good example of it in the contact detail screen here, or if we roll over to conversations, you can see that the D&D has actually, it says right here, partial, and you hit configure. This is a great example actually of this. So in the past, do not disturb means basically leave me alone, go away, don't talk to me, right? But it's been very like black and white. It's like either don't talk to me on any channel for any reason whatsoever, or do. And you know, for all of us who are out there trying to talk to our customers or our leads, sometimes people don't want to be contacted on one channel, but are actually okay on another channel. And so now we've broken this out into the ability to do this multi-channel. So as you can see right here, this right here is we have an SMS actually unsubscribe, but they're still open to be contacted via GMB, Facebook Messenger, or email, right? So now we have this all broken out into channels, and you can do such a better job when actually talking to your customers. Now when you jump into the contact detail view, it's split out down here so you can see it. Obviously you can D&D all channels if you want to, all that stuff. Now in this case, you can't, now you're like, what the heck? I can't pull them off. Remember, they hit stop right here, and as a result, upstream, this happens at the Twilio level, Twilio is gonna opt them out, the carrier is gonna opt them out. Now you can, of course, bring them back. They have to text in unstop, I think it is. And so that'll automatically pull them off. But anyhow, that's why that is sort of grayed out. But the good news is now you can really start to manage your customer communications channels in a lot richer way. Now, of course, we're going to go one level deeper here. We're going to be able to, like on the email side, for example, we're going to be able to create different types of lists where you can decide, you know, maybe this is like a advertising broadcast. This could be a customer communications broadcast. Give you a little bit more granular control even at another level, but this significantly improves the performance from a management perspective and a D&D perspective. So that is awesome. Anyhow, let me check to see if I missed any more details. Be right back. Okay, so this is one of those scenarios where Shaw and team have done such a great job with the release notes. I figured might as well just bring them on Slack and go through them together. Okay, so good question, good highlights here, right? So contacts that have D&D switched on already, what's going to happen there? We'll continue to respect that. That's good. Contacts that have not had D&D switched on previously, we continue to respect that too. Now, this is a change that I think I want to highlight. D&D on now means that no automated or manual outbound messages are permitted to go out. Previously, we would let people send outbound messages manually and only restricted the automated messages. So this is a big change. We got this from our user base. We don't want people accidentally, and we've had this happen, make the mistake of sending out messages to people when they very clearly said no thanks. D&D off, all automated and manual messages continue to work as usual. Obviously, I just pointed out the partial, this ability to kind of decide what channels. Now, how do integrations tie with this? If the integrations exist and are functional, they're enlisted as channels with high-level users can enable or disable independently. This is for those developers that are actually interacting with our messaging API and adding in additional functionality, and or future integrations, things like WhatsApp, which is coming out here at the end of this quarter. Again, if the integrations drop and are reconnected, the previous state would persist. So, for example, if you had them D&D'd as before on FE Messenger, it'll continue to stick. How does this work in the case of emails? So, auto-enabled, a permanent fail with a reason of bounce, generic, suppress complaint, suppress unsubscribe, and suppress bounce. So we're trying to help you, again, automate the D&D'ing right there. When a recipient unsubscribes or marks the email as a complaint, and then obviously we can allow the location or agency to disable it, all this wonderful stuff. So that's good. And then on the SMS side, you can see right here, two ways. If they customer replies stop, we'll auto D&D it, or any of these error codes from Twilio. And then obviously two types of D&D will be applied on a contact. There's a temporary and a permanent. And so you can see kind of all of the additional notes here. And there's a really good help doc that I'll also post in. But anyways, you at least, whoa, there it is. Wrong jump there. Whoop. Oh, there we go. Sorry. So anyways, now you understand all of the nitty-gritty details related to this update, but I do think it is a fantastic update. Gives us a lot more control and hopefully allows for a lot easier management of this type of stuff. And again, all about deliverability high, complaint rates low, just not getting people upset, all that wonderful stuff. So sorry about the long video. Just wanted to give you all the details, and I hope all of you have an awesome Monday, and I'll see you tomorrow for more updates. Thanks. Bye.